Hi guys. Okay, so I get lots of questions about things that I cook and post on my stories on Instagram and Facebook, and people ask me to do cooking videos. So I am going to start today by just showing you what I use. I am not a chef by any means, so I just cook things how I like them. And today I'm making a chicken breast. Chicken breast, crock pot chicken in a crock pot. This is just 4 chicken breasts. Gonna wash them off, season them, and throw them in a crock pot for about 5 hours on low. It is currently 1:40, so about 6:30 I can take them out. This is not going to be a talking video. I'm strictly going to show you everything I use. That's all.